Do you dream of escaping the daily office grind? Imagine rolling out of bed, grabbing a coffee, and starting your workday, all from the comfort of your own home. There are a surprising number of easy-to-start work-from-home jobs that can significantly improve your day-to-day life. 1. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is an online-based worker who carries out administrative tasks, such as scheduling appointments, responding to emails, and providing customer service. How to become a virtual assistant? Sharpen your skills. Identify your strengths. Whether it's organization, social media savvy, or writing skills, having a strong skill set is essential. Build your brand. Create a professional website or online portfolio showcasing your skills and experience. Find your clients. Network with potential clients. Utilize online job boards specializing in remote work, or consider freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Set your rates. Research competitive rates for VAs with similar skills and experience in your region. Before I continue, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos on wealth creation tips. 2. Social media manager. A social media manager is responsible for managing, monitoring, and responding to social media activity for a business or organization. For those who crave complete control and a varied client base, freelancing is a fantastic option. Freelance social media managers juggle multiple clients, offering services like content creation, scheduling posts, engaging with communities, and providing insightful analytics reports. Building a strong online presence and setting competitive rates are key to attracting clients and building a thriving business. Seasoned social media managers can translate their expertise into online income by offering consulting services to businesses looking to revamp their social media strategy. This could involve customized social media audits or one-on-one coaching sessions, guiding businesses towards social media success. Social media managers are often content creation ninjas. They can leverage this skill by creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or social media management templates. Additionally, establishing yourself as a thought leader through valuable content creation can attract potential clients and boost your online brand awareness. Some social media managers partner with brands through affiliate marketing programs. By promoting relevant products or services to their audience and using a unique affiliate link, they can earn a commission on each sale generated. Many social media manager roles offer remote work options, allowing for a flexible schedule and location independence. Work from your home office, a beachside cafe, or anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. 3. Freelance writer. A freelance writer writes web content, blog posts, and other types of written content for clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a starting point to connect with clients. However, competition can be fierce, so be prepared to write compelling proposals and offer competitive rates. Reach out to businesses, publications, or websites directly that align with your niche. Research their content needs and tailor your pitch accordingly. Content mills offer a way to build experience and earn some income quickly. However, the pay tends to be low, so consider them a stepping stone rather than a long-term solution. Research freelance writing rates in your niche and be prepared to negotiate your worth. Start with competitive rates and adjust them as you gain experience and build your reputation. Establish clear invoicing procedures and preferred payment methods up front with clients. Consider using online invoicing tools to streamline the process. Freelancing requires strong time management skills. Set deadlines, track project hours, and learn to juggle multiple clients effectively. Stay up to date on industry trends, SEO best practices, and content marketing strategies. Investing in your professional development will keep your skills sharp and make you a more valuable asset to clients. 4. Dropshipping. Unlike traditional retail where you buy inventory up front, dropshipping allows you to sell products without ever holding them yourself. The key to dropshipping profits lies in the difference between your selling price and the wholesale cost you pay to the supplier. Here's the equation. Profit equals selling price minus product cost minus shipping cost. This is where your research and strategy come in. You need to consider market research. What is the typical retail price for similar products? Competition. How are your competitors pricing their products? Target audience. What are your customers willing to pay? The difference between your selling price and product cost determines your profit margin. A healthy profit margin is essential for a sustainable dropshipping business. Low profit margins. Dropshipping is a competitive landscape, and product costs can be high, leaving you with a narrow profit margin. Finding reliable suppliers. Finding trustworthy suppliers with high-quality products and on-time shipping is crucial for customer satisfaction. Marketing and customer service. Since you don't control the inventory, strong marketing and customer service are essential for building trust and repeat business. Dropshipping can be a viable way to make money online, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires careful planning, strategic pricing, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Standing out in a crowded marketplace is easier when you cater to a specific audience. Building trust and loyalty is essential for repeat business. Compelling product presentations are key to attracting customers. Utilize social media advertising, SEO strategies, and email marketing to reach your target audience. 5. Affiliate marketing. Imagine you're a social media influencer who loves a particular brand of sportswear. You rave about their products online and include a special link in your posts. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. That, in essence, is affiliate marketing. You sign up with an affiliate program offered by a company or platform. This program provides you with a unique tracking link. You share this link across your website, social media channels, or even in email newsletters. When someone clicks your unique link and completes a purchase or signs up for a service, the advertiser tracks the sale through your link, and you earn a commission. Your earnings depend on your promotional efforts and the commission structure of the affiliate programs you choose. As long as you have an internet connection, you can promote affiliate links and potentially earn income anywhere in the world. Focus on promoting products or services relevant to your audience's interests. This builds trust and increases the likelihood of clicks and conversions. Create high-quality content that showcases the value proposition of the products or services you promote. Disclose that you're using affiliate links and avoid misleading your audience. Building trust is essential for long-term success. Many affiliate programs offer tools to track clicks and conversions. This data helps you understand what's working and allows you to refine your approach. These are 5 easy work-at-home jobs online. Do you know of any other? Please share them in the comments section below. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.